Hello Deb, this is Tom again. This time I want to show you how to add a YouTube file to your Blackboard site, Leadership in Nursing. Now I noticed that you've already tried to do that and you had a problem with it, but I think I went back and fixed it for you. But let me show you how to do this. First off, I'm going to go back into the assignments area because that's where I want the video to show up. Okay? And you'll notice right here I have given you two ways that you could post to YouTube. One in which, if you click here, actually goes to the YouTube site and you'll see the video. Here I've actually embedded the YouTube into the site itself. Both of them work, but you'll notice when I do it this way, you see the thumbnail showing up right in the screen, and so all your students have to do is to click the start button. But let's do this from scratch. So I'm going to suggest that let's say we're going to add a YouTube to class 2. All right, this is the same area where we practiced adding another file. All right, if I want to add a YouTube, here's one way you can do it. You can click on Build Content and then click on Web Link. All right, then what you do is you go and find the YouTube that you want. So let's say it's this Simon Sinek one on Don't Understanding People. All right, so I've gotten to YouTube. Now, where do you get the URL? This is what I do. Click on Share, and it's going to give you the URL right there. So you see it's highlighted in blue, so that means go to Edit up here and do a copy. So you're going to copy this URL. Now I'm going to go back to my Blackboard. I'm going to paste that URL right there, and then I'm going to name it. All right. Again, here's a good place to write some descriptive information about what the video is and what you want the students to do with it. All right. If you have a transcript or something, you can add a file right there. Again, make sure it's a PDF. Make sure it says open a new window, and then make sure it says permit users to view content. And then you click submit. Okay, now you've created the file. This little icon indicates that when I click on this, it's going to take me to a web link. So let's test it. I'm going to click the word name it, and you see it goes to the Simon Sinek video. Okay, so that's how you do it one way to add a video. Let me show you another way. All right, I'm going to go back to build content. This time I'm going to add an item. All right. All right, now in adding the item, I'm going to call it Simon Understands. All right, let's say that, if I can spell it right. Now I'm going to put the information that I want. Now I'm going to click this little icon right here. It says Insert Embedded Media. I'm going to click that. Now that URL for Simon, I'm going to click and paste it right here in the file URL. Then I'm going to click Dimensions so that it shows up right here. This is how you embed a YouTube. Then click Insert. All right, so it's going to show up there. Scroll down. Again, if I have a transcript, I could add that. You see the little writing that I've done here? That's going to show up on the frame. Make sure you say users can see it and click Submit. So now, notice now in the edit mode, it's going to show up this way. So I'm going to click the unedit mode. This is what it's going to look like to your students. So now you have two versions. You can do it this way or you can do it this way. Okay, I hope that helps.